Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to teach you how to speak to Holly Nova on MSP. See, it's not clickbait anything to anything. So yeah, so you can't message her or anything. This is not patched up. Yeah. So this is my American account. Yeah, same name as my UK. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you go on to Boomly Planet and you type in your password, which I will be back when I have clicked to see y'all in a second. So clearly I haven't made a Boomy account on what is this thing? On this Boomy Planet stuff. So I'm going to make one. It's gonna be all plenty on pink. Oh, I don't like these eyeballs. These eyeballs are ugly AF. Oh, little cute butter nose. Oh, it won't even let me change it, guys. Ew! Technical difficulties. I'll be back in a sec. I fixed it. I fixed the problem. I think. Yay. I just need to change the colours, which it won't let me. So I'm going to click this randomizer. What is these look? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's be this guy. Cause who wouldn't wanna be him? Yeah. I don't even know what that was, but yeah. Anyway. No. Ugh, fine, let's go with this guy. Now I have been knocked out. Come on, let me get out. I want to show you. Oh, how adorable, scary looking guy. He's totally going to kill me. Yes, become an adult. Gosh, game, you're just as lucky as MSP. God is involving. Yay! Can I not? Okay, finally. So you click friends. Go away, yeah. And you click and find your friend Holly Nova. See, yeah, we have her right here. And if you hug her, yeah, I don't know if it'll work on Pixie Star. Wait, let me check. I don't think Pixie Star's on here though. No, it's not something. But anyway, now can we click off this thing? Go away, yeah. Finally, that was dreadful. Okay, so be back when I have typed in my password. Okay, and I am back. Okay, now if we click messages, here is the proof. Holly Nova, and click it. She's right here. We can even say, hello, wake up, you computer. And there you have it. You can now speak to Holly Nova. Novo, no. You poop. Poop. Okay, and that is how you speak to Holly Nova. Thank you for watching my video. I will love you so much. See you again. Bye.